Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best action camera Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is AKASO Brave 4K 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera. This camera has a 4K video mode that helps you to capture real action no matter if you are riding, skydiving, or just on a short adventure on your motorcycle. The camera even offers steady FPS for better slow-motion perspectives. It even comes with a simple yet sophisticated remote control that comes quite handy when mounting the camera in places where one can't reach manually. You can use connectivity options such as Wi-Fi for transferring files from the device. This model also has pretty improved water resistance and durability. It permits you to capture the essence of the underwater world without compromising on anything. You get 2 extra batteries and helmet accessories with this action cam, which is why it is undoubtedly one of the ideal choices on a limited budget. Pros: intuitive remote control, improved water resistance, mountable to multiple places, 4K video at 24 frames per second, extra accessories. Cons: there is no touchscreen. Sometimes the 4K videos fail to satisfy. Number 2. Our second best pick is AKASO Elite 4K WiFi Sports Action Camera. This model certainly has all the best and updated features available in the market. Yet, it is half the price in comparison to the major brands. This model boasts 4K video at 60 FPS and 30 FPS as its standard option, along with 20MP photos. It even features a variety of shooting modes such as slow mo at 120 FPS, diving, and even fast motion. Additionally, these are even very easy to toggle between. You can wear it on your wrist, and the brand even comes with mounting accessories, which ensures that the features are sufficient. It is Wi-Fi compatible and even has HDMI connectivity. The device also comes with 2 1100 mAh batteries that provide 3 hours of recording time and is even waterproof up to 131 feet. You can easily go through all the motions with no worries about its damage because it is made like a solid rock. Therefore, the camera is potent enough to withstand water, mud, dirt, and sand. Compared overall, AKASO V50 Elite is undoubtedly quite a great product. Number 3. Our third best pick is GoPro Camera Hero 7 Silver. If you seek the best digital camera for action shots under $200, this is the one you need to go for. This entry-level GoPro certainly offers the best features beneath its sleek and shiny silver rubberized casing. The best part of buying this is it comes with the quality guarantee of a classic GoPro. Also, if you are in constant search of a GoPro for your kids, this has to be the ideal choice for you. Features: this model of Hero Silver can shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 10MP still photos. It might seem a little slower than other brands, but you need to remember that it is a GoPro and not any other obscure Chinese brand. Standard features such as time-lapse and slow motion at 2x speed also come along with the model. This camera is also specially designed for point-click and shooting purposes. You can easily mount it anywhere because of its small size. It even features a 1.95-inch touchscreen at its rear, which is very quick and responsive. It is even compatible with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it even allows for image or video editing. It is water-resistant but only to 33 feet. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GoPro Hero 5 Black Waterproof Digital Action Camera. If you are worried about other brands because GoPros don't suit your budget, then you should stop searching for GoPro alternatives under $200 and get your hands on the GoPro Hero 5, which comes under the same budget. This model suits professional YouTubers the best. This action cam is very popular among the young generation because of its high-quality videos. If you are an action vlogger who is looking to jumpstart a vlogging career, this has to be the best suited choice for you. The GoPro Hero 5 boasts a 4K video mode running at 30 frames per second. In order to ensure that you succeed at taking stunning photos, a 12MP image sensor comes along with the camera. It also has a time-lapse mode that allows a collection of beautiful clouds and sunset without any hassle. The model is also waterproof up to 10 m, which works fine for divers who intend on diving into deeper water. Additionally, the user interface is also pretty simple, and the camera comes along with several additional modes. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Insta361 360-degree Panoramic Sports Action Video Camera. In case you were looking for some of the best action cameras as per the ratings on Amazon, Insta361 has to be on your list. This is the perfect option if you do not prefer selfie sticks that tend to ruin your shots. The model comes along with separately waterproof and remote housings. This 360-degree VR camera omits your selfie stick or hand from the final shot, which, in turn, makes it appear as if it were a drone shot. The camera can even shoot 4K videos along with high-resolution, 24MP photos for panoramic pictures. The electronic image stabilization, now commonly referred to as the flow state stabilization, helps to make your videos battery smooth, no matter if you are jumping out of an aircraft or cycling downhill. It is even very easy to edit and upload the footage on the gram with the help of this camera. You can easily control it either with a remote or an app that you can easily monitor on your iPhone. The unique design of the camera is what catches the most attention. You can even mount the model on almost any item with the accessories. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.